The future belongs to those who learn AI today. AI means creating machines that can learn and make smart decisions.
AI studies data and finds patterns humans often cannot see.
Seamlessly secure. The world adapts to you, presenting only what matters most. Discover your next innovation.
AI is fast, but humans think, feel, and imagine. AI only works with the data it is given.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is shaping our future right now.
AI learns from data, just like humans learn from experience. Data is the fuel that teaches AI what to do.
AI improves by studying examples again and again.
Every mistake helps AI improve its performance.
AI searches for hidden patterns inside large datasets. AI learns music, faces, and voices from millions of examples.
Smarter data creates smarter AI. AI learns faster than humans ever could. Artificial intelligence and human intelligence are very different. AI can process information much faster than humans.
Humans feel emotions, but AI does not.
Humans create from emotion. AI copies from data. Humans learn from life. AI learns from data. AI chooses by math. Humans choose by experience.
Humans control AI, not the other way around. AI is powerful, but humans lead the future.
Can machines ever think the way humans do? Humans think using emotions, memories, and experience.
AI processes data, not feelings or thoughts.
AI does not truly understand meaning like humans.
Human creativity comes from emotion. AI uses patterns. AI calculates. Humans feel and decide.
When human intuition merges with artificial intelligence, the boundaries of what is possible begin to dissolve.
Human thinking remains unique and powerful.
Machine learning helps computers learn without being programmed every time.
Machines learn from examples, just like humans do. Data teaches machines what is right and wrong. More data makes machines perform better. Machine learning powers spam filters and suggestions.
Instead of rules, machines learn from patterns.
Learning systems are not perfect or always correct. Learning is the engine behind smart machines.
Deep learning is the brain behind today's smartest AI systems.
It is a system that learns using many layers of data. Deep learning uses artificial neural networks.
The system improves by training on large data.
It handles complex problems easily. It needs big data and high computer power. It is shaping the future of intelligence. Many people misunderstand artificial intelligence. AI is not planning to rule humans. AI does not feel love or fear. AI is a tool built by humans to help them.
In the new world, precision reigns supreme. We optimize.
AI only processes information and patterns.
AI will create new types of jobs.
Understanding AI removes fear.